Vantastic 2021 Semi 3 NZ Racing. What are your thoughts going into tonight's Semi?
What are my thoughts? We have 4 vans. 4 vans have 16 wheels. 16 wheels over 4 races is 64 wheels on Shorty tonight. On average, 1 to 2 vans per race do not make it to the finish line. So that means 36 wheels across the finish line, plus or minus 2 for those that slide across the finish line on their side, gives a 13.03% chance of one van actually finishing every race on his wheels tonight. Good luck.
Good call, mate. Let's have a look at them.
First up tonight, we have Robert Fokker driving that bright red Von Bourbon van for 100 Proof Racing, and that artwork on the bonnet looks amazing, mate. And next to him, you got the V-Dub, you got the 69 gram entrant from Mocon Competition, driver 69er, flying the species of a van called Spirit of 69. Good luck tonight, gentlemen.
Driving for Power Drive Racing is Mary Ann. This van weighs 97 grams. It's the 007 Spy van. It's a Johnny Lightning with black fires. And right alongside of them is Team Puerto Rico Racing. Bud Spencer's the driver, and he's driving Chubby Doobie. Good luck.
Yeah, look, I kind of feel sorry for the V-Dub tonight, because he's kind of dwarfed by these big lumbering masses of steel and rubber beside him. But let's head up to the start gate and see what happens.
Racing right here out of Sydney, Australia on Shorty Vantastic 2021. Some big hitters heading home tonight. Oh, the pain's got to hurt, I got to tell you.
Those Blackfire tyres have proven themselves once again, with Mary Ann from Power Drive Racing heading through to the final round. Well done.
Team Puerto Rico Racing stays alive into the finals. Chubby Doobie is the name of the van. Bud Spencer's behind the wheel. See you in the finals. What's your favourite pick tonight, mate?
Yeah, hot car track. The highlight for me tonight was just the V-dub in general. Every race he crashed. I mean, even in race 3 when he won, he crashed.
Yeah, that was a big call going up against some of the heavier vans in this competition. The highlight for me had to be race 1. Robert Fokker for 100 Proof Racing really had it right out of the bag out of turn 1. However, the sheer determination from Marianne and Bud Spencer to get past Robert Fokker and to get across the line first was too great. What a ripper of a race.
Well, that's the end of Vantastic for the two drivers, Robert Fokker and 69er. Hey guys, thanks for coming, and you put on a really good show. Cheers.
Yeah, a great night of racing, NZ, right here in Vantastic Semi-Final 3. Some teams heading home. Oh, it's just got to hurt, as I said before, but that's racing. All right, that's a wrap here from Shorty. Until next time, we'll all catch you later.